I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and today I have another Bombay and Cedar box. This one is for March. If you haven't seen my other unboxings, this box is amazing. I super love it, and it's all about essential oils and relaxation and health and mental health and some snacks and all that good stuff. And it is supposed to be a luxurious experience. So let's just see what I got in this month's box. All right, I can see some interesting things in here already. Let's see, okay. Oh, this is a little thank you. If you do subscribe to Bombay and Cedar and then you share on Instagram or whatever, they will send you a little gift in your next box. So let's see what I got. KEEKO Botanical Teeth Whitening Pen. Oh, that's fun. That's pretty neat. Okay, it's like a little brush, and I guess you just wipe it on your teeth. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, well that's a fun start to the box. Okay, let's see, what is this? Buffer Lip Scrub. Ooh. You know what I don't see in here is the little booklet thingamajig that has all of the information about what's in the box. I wonder if it's buried or if they just forgot to put it in there. How funny. A little tube of a lip scrub. I do love lip scrubs. I've actually just gotten back into using lip scrubs. I got one, where did I get one? I got one somewhere just recently. It was like a chocolate flavored lip scrub, and I've been using that constantly, and it has been so nice, and my lips have been feeling so great. Oh, what is this? Cinnamon Basil Seed Starter Kit. Wait a minute, what? What? A seed starter kit? How cool! Cinnamon basil. Wow, that is so cool. If you follow me on Instagram, you might know that we've been building garden beds in our backyard, and we actually just put the soil in them. We haven't planted anything yet. I'm totally gonna plant this. How exciting! Oh, I love stuff like that. That's super fun. Ooh, some wax, like for putting in a warmer. Lemon verbena. Ooh, that sounds so good. I love lemon scented things. I'm just gonna give this a whiff. That smells good. It's nice and lemony without smelling like cleaning supplies. Here are my essential oils. Let's see, Breathe Easy and Spring Bliss. Breathe Easy Essential Oil Blend, a proprietary blend of oils designed to increase lung capacity to breathe and clear sinuses, as an excellent addition for any health-conscious individual. Oh, I could use that. My sinuses are always messed up. Somebody was asking me the other day why I always sound snuffy, and it's because I'm allergic to cats, and I have 2 cats. Spring Bliss Essential Oil Blend, an absolutely delectable aromatic treasure, seamlessly blending a variety of citrus notes topped with a hint of vanilla, resulting in a fabulous blend. Ooh, that sounds so nice. I love all the citrus going on in this box. Ooh, it smells like kind of like a creamsicle. TERRE MÈRE Organic Vegan Rosehip and Hibiscus Anti-Stress Night Cream. Ooh. That's nice. Let's see. Okay, it comes with a cute little scoop right there. Oh, this is a heavy glass jar. Okay, I'm just gonna use what's left on the lid to rub it into my hands. Ooh, that was kind of a lot actually. That's okay. Oh, it feels very nice. I don't think it's scented. If it is, it's a very light scent. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel greasy at all. It actually just soaks right in, but it feels really hydrating and wonderful. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, I can't wait to use that. What fun. A fragrance warmer. Oh, to go with my lemons, little wax things. Oh, how cute. I love this kind of stuff. I always get these kind of things from Scentsy. My sister-in-law sells Scentsy, so I always buy it from her. Oh, here's my snack, Himalayan pink organic popcorn. Buddha bowl foods. I'm gonna eat this right now. That's good. It's not too salty, but it has a nice flavor. Okay, and then the last thing in here, we must go and see for ourselves. Jacques Cousteau. This journal belongs to, okay, it's a journal. There are some who can live without wild things and some who cannot. Aldo Leopold. Oh, how cute. It just has like these little, quotes in here every so often. How wonderful. Oh, that's a great little journal. I like this. It's, paperback and compact. This is nice. This is a total like take with you everywhere type of a journal. Well, what a great box. Gosh, you guys, I so love Bombay and Cedar. I've kind of sad though that I don't have the little booklet, because usually they have in them a booklet that tells you about the products, and then they have, you know, a little like, hey, this is all about this company and blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, I don't know what happened there. But that's okay, that's okay. I got some really amazing stuff in here, and it's all pretty self-explanatory, you know. I'm not gonna be totally lost without it. What fun! Okay, well, I will leave all of the information in the description box. Definitely check out Bombay Cedar. It is currently one of my favorite subscription boxes. It's definitely more of a luxury item, but well worth it. Also, with Mother's Day coming up, this would make an amazing gift. Or, you know, just for yourself, for a monthly little treat to yourself. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!